How's it going? Back with another garage sale finds video. This morning, went to some garage sales. Uh, Basically, all this stuff was picked up, I guess, freestyling. The first housing edition I went to was an older one. I usually have had good luck there in the past, and unfortunately, there's only maybe 6 or 7 garage sales that were actually open, and I did not find anything there. So basically, I went on garage sale treasure map, an app, and just looked up garage sales in the area, and ended up finding some pretty decent stuff. So I guess I'll show you what I picked up. Finally, did find some gold. It's been a couple weeks since I found some gold. I'll tell you the story about that. Like I've told you guys, vintage razors sell extremely well. Believe it or not, even the newer stuff, even this is like 20 years old now, have a Schick Tracer FX. Believe it or not, this is a $30 to $35 razor. Still in the package. I think I paid a couple dollars for that. Some new old stock Schick razor blades. I think there's a dozen of them in here. Again, I only paid a couple bucks for the whole box, and these look to sell for around 40 or so for the entire box. Another good find. Same sale as this vintage ladies Gillette razor. They call this the Starburst. It's pink. Another $20 item. A Zippo. New in the box, never used. Not too expensive, maybe $15, $20. I got that at the same place where I got the razors. Another garage sale, got a couple brass Zippos. Even though these are newer, these still sell pretty well, probably 10 to 15 bucks a piece. And those were, I think, $2 each. And then a couple weeks ago, I told you guys I found a Viewmaster, and I always like to find, get a bundle of reels to sell them as a lot. And today I found this box of reels. It was $3. So I'll add these to the other Viewmaster I found with all the other reels. And these still sell pretty well. I imagine with this and the other Viewmaster with the reels, I might get $50, $60 for that bundle. Some old Chalkware, even though this one is in better condition than the other one. This old Chalkware stuff with like lions and tigers and stuff like that. Kind of these scary looking faces sell pretty well. And this one is dated 1957. So have that one, and it was 50 cents. And then unfortunately this one is damaged. Might be able to be repaired with some paint. So this is also 50 cents. And this is also dated 1957. I saw one in really nice condition, sold for like $30. So I'll group the pair and as parts repair to for somebody to repair these. And then I came home and did get the batteries come in for these couple Timex watches I bought previously. So this Timex diver watch is running. And then the Expedition is also running. I think this is from the early 2000s, late 90s. And then the best find of the day is I finally found some gold. The story with this was went up to the garage sale, and they had a jewelry box. Is more like a plastic box, and they had the prices were like $2 or $3 per necklace, and then a couple dollars per set of earrings. Well, I've told you guys what to look for right off the bat, and I saw this chain, and I knew it was at least 10 to 14 karat. So rather than risk not getting this stuff or have somebody come up behind me and start picking stuff out, I just asked him, I said, how much if I just bought all the jewelry? So she looked at it real quick and she says, how about 20 bucks? So I just bought it all. And there wasn't much more than what I'm showing you. There was some costume, but this was pretty much it. And come to find out, most of it is 14 karat. All this stuff is 14 karat, and this little heart up here is 10 karat. This one and this piece aren't marked, but I did acid test them, and they came back as 10 and 14 and 14. This one is marked gold filled, and there was maybe 5 or 6 other pieces, but the scrap value on this is close to 300 on this stack. So very good gold find for 20 bucks. And then this was also at a garage sale. Have a Minolta X700, the MPS model. Has a lot of accessories, the original strap, and some other pieces. I think there might be one other lens. That was $20, and I expect this to sell for between 100 and 150 as is untested. So these are my pickups for today. There is a church sale and an auction this evening I'll go to. So if I find anything at those sales, I'll include those with Friday's garage sale video. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.